Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos.
Shanice, you're not going for lunch.
Shanice, why are you not going for lunch? Yeah? Why are you not going for lunch? Or you carried some food? Huh? You're going for lunch? Will you not be late? Okay, I'm so happy for those who are returning to watch my videos, and also for the new subscribers, my subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. I'm so humbled today. Thank you for pushing me, guys. Road to 1,000, guys. Yeah, push me up to there. Continue watching my videos and also continue subscribing. So today it is a school day. I came to school in the morning, and then we always have many activities that goes on here. Nice Mom is giving voluntary services today. Is it service or services? Services. Nice Mom is giving out. Okay, I have my English teacher here. Welcome, Emma.
Hi. Welcome to the channel. Keep on watching, keep on subscribing. The more we watch, the more we subscribe, the more we lift up our Nice Mom.
Okay, thank you so much, Emma. Emma is my, guys, Emma is my English teacher, yeah? At times when I break English, yeah? I can say, maybe instead of saying at times I say in, guys, yeah? I was not sure if I was to say in school or at school, yeah. So it is at school. At school, yeah. He's my teacher. Learning will never stop, guys.
Until there is no room written, no education ahead.
Learning will never stop, yeah, guys. So as I said, we have so many activities, and today I decided to give my voluntary service. So continue watching the video until the end, guys.
But is the water is clean or dirty?
The water is clean.
Okay.
Just check, the water is clean.
Kwa nini? Acha nikuulize.
Niulize, ask me.
Kwa nini wanawake mnapenda vitu vizuri sana? Wanawake mostly
asking me why do us ladies like good things. Yes.
Why?
Okay, because naturally we are created like that. Yes. Okay, generally ladies are not like men.
Why?
We are created like
you are
that.
Human being like me.
No, there's a difference between a man and a woman. Yes. And then okay, ladies. Okay, I don't know.
The Bible says that women's beauty are there to please men.
Kwa hiyo tunaenda na mambo na Bible au?
Yeah, okay, to some extent, alafu pia kuna vile tuliumbwa. Okay, I don't know if it is true, but okay, tunaambiwa kwamba unajua wanawake wanakwanga chap kuwashinda. Brain yao upande na upande inafanya kazi.
Men do love women to submit.
Wow, guys, I want to is it painting? Can I be able to do this? Yeah, can you just give me a chance? I just try once, even just holding like that. So just show me, come first, you show me how I'm supposed to do it so that I cannot destroy it. So I'm supposed to touch like this, and then, so I'm supposed to dip it here. Okay, yes. Not inside.
I dip inside.
No, am I supposed to dip it, the whole of it, or just on top?
On top.
Okay, on top like that.
So much.
Yes, it will carry much paint.
Yes.
Okay.
So there.
So I will bring it like this, and then I start from down and then this way.
Yeah. You start it from down.
From down. Okay, the paint is not supposed. Okay, like this. I start from down. I go like this.
Yeah.
How will I know that the paint is finished? Am I supposed to come this way or just this way?
No.
Just this way. Okay.
Just all of it itself shows here.
Okay,
Now,
it is
now,
enough. Okay. So if at all, okay, the paint is finished, then okay, should I take another paint?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me try. I just want to try. So I'm supposed to just move it on top. Okay, like this.
It is enough.
Okay guys, I'm trying. So I'm told I'm supposed to start right from here as I move like this.
Yeah.
But because I'm doing it for the first time, then woo, like this.
Yeah.
Have I tried?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. It has been a good experience.
Next time.
Next time? So next time I know I'll do it.
Yes.
The way it is supposed to be. Okay, this place is like it is dark. So guys, today I'm doing some voluntary work. So I'm doing the work of Mama Uji. We call her Mama Uji, guys, yes. Yeah. I think this one is okay. So guys, today we are going to take these vegetables and we have some stew here. Hey, the aroma is sweet. So this is our Mama Uji. Mama Uji, yes. Wewe unatupikia chakula tamu. She always makes for us sweet food. Yeah, she cooks for us. She's a very happy lady, yeah?
Yes.
Mama Uji wasalimie, sema hi.
Hi. Mambo.
Oh, he's greeting you guys. Yeah, she knows how to cook. Yeah, I was just helping her. Okay, this place is smoky, guys. Yeah. Let me just come out. Thank you for watching. sufuria sasa, si ndio? Guys, this one is big. Woo!
That one is our cooking stick.
Yeah, our cooking stick. There's another one here. Okay, I think this one, she uses this one to cook ugali, yeah? But this one is for
Veggies.
veggies, yeah. So because it is small.
Also for porridge.
This one for porridge because okay, she always cook porridge that fills here.
The big one.
The big sufuria.
But our kitchen is one thing. The school kitchen is really one thing.
The school kitchen is really one thing, guys. Jimama uji. Unasikiaje vile nimekusaidia? How are you feeling?
Fine.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Fine or good? I tell you, this mom is good.
I always enjoy her food. Mostly
Yeah.
when she fries meat.
Meat, yeah.
And African vegetables.
African vegetables.
She really
I
knows
tell
how
you, yeah, she really knows how to cook, guys. So, guys, today I've been doing some voluntary services. So, I've been helping. Okay, I'm helping at the moment. I'm helping Mama Uji to wash these utensils. Yeah. Now because okay, the bell for lessons it has gone. Yeah.
Yeah, the bell has gone.
Yeah. Now because the bell has gone, so I think I'll just leave her, continue with the rest. But at least I've helped her. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Welcome, guys, back to my channel. Continue watching my video. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm coming from school. Now I'm going home. It's been a very busy day, guys. So until next time, bye. I love you guys.